I've just come back from Mauritius. Yeah, very lucky. I was staying with a Mauritian friend and her family, and while I was out there, I had a holiday romance. Can you cheer if you've had a holiday romance? You have. Someone wooed and then corrected themselves.
We're still wooing about Mauritius because we're Mauritius.
No way! That's insane. There are more here than you think. That's great. Wow. Well, yeah, I had a holiday romance with a Mauritian man. It was very, very sexy. Oh yeah, this guy, he taught me lots of Mauritian insults. So do you guys speak Creole?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he taught me pistoliki. Wow! This is great. This is just for the two Mauritians now. Which means, shut the f*** up, right? Yeah? Licky Toma? Oh! Means, yeah. And I taught him some of the worst things you can say in English, like, this is the Piccadilly line train to Cockfosters. Or, I work for Apple Pay. That kind of